the systems you never see. The comfort you always feel. Belentino HVAC and Mechanical Services, engineered comfort for every home. Behind every comfortable home is a network of mechanical systems, heating, ventilation, air conditioning, plumbing, and hot water. These systems are invisible when they work well, and impossible to ignore when they don't. Our mechanical engineering service ensures every system is designed, installed, and commissioned to the highest standards. We design heating systems tailored to each property. Gas and hydrogen-ready boilers, heat pumps, both air source and ground source, underfloor heating with zone control, and radiator systems with thermostatic valves. Every system is sized using room-by-room heat loss calculations, not estimates. Underfloor heating delivers even warmth without visible radiators. We install both wet systems connected to the boiler circuit and electric systems for individual rooms. Zone controls allow different temperatures in different areas, with smart thermostats for remote scheduling and energy monitoring. Proper ventilation is essential for air quality and preventing condensation. We install mechanical ventilation with heat recovery, known as MVHR, which extracts stale air and recovers up to 95% of its heat. Extract fans, trickle vents, and whole-house ventilation strategies are designed for each project. Air conditioning has become standard in premium London homes. We design discrete, multi-split systems with concealed ceiling cassettes and ducted solutions. Every system is sized for the space, quiet in operation, and energy-rated for efficiency. Cooling in summer, supplementary heating in winter. Hot water and plumbing systems are specified alongside the heating design. Unvented hot water cylinders for mains pressure delivery. Manifold plumbing systems that reduce joints and improve flow. First and second fix plumbing coordinated with the building program to minimize disruption. Modern mechanical systems are controlled by smart technology. Zone-by-zone temperature control, humidity monitoring, scheduled programs, and remote access via smartphone. We integrate heating, cooling, and ventilation into a single control interface that is intuitive for the homeowner. Every installation is compliant with Building Regulations Part 50, Part F, and Part G gas-safe registered engineers. F-gas certified technicians for refrigerants. Full commissioning reports, flow rate testing, and system balancing. We provide manufacturer warranties and aftercare documentation for every system. From Victorian terraces requiring complete system upgrades to new builds with integrated climate control, our mechanical portfolio spans every property type. Every project receives the same engineering rigor and commitment to comfort. Beauty with intent. Value by design. Book your free HVAC consultation at belentino.com.